Good morning, children. Today we are learning the continuation part of our lesson number 10, that is water. Till now we learn, as we learned in our previous class, about the sources of water. From where do we get the water? That is, we get water from rivers, ponds, wells and tube wells. And we also learn that about the uses of water. Where do we use the water? We use water for cooking, bathing, cleaning utensils, brushing teeth, and also for gardening. For watering the plants, we need water. And we also learn about drinking water. How do you drink a clean water? We should drink a clean water by boiling it and by using water filters. And we should use the clean containers to store a drinking water. So today in this class we are learning about the means of saving water. SAVING, saving, WATER, water, saving water. WATER, water, ISES, PRESENT, present, ALL, all, AROUND, around, US, us. Water is present all around us. BUT, but, VERY, very, LITTLE, little, ISES, SAFE, safe, TO2, USE, or DRINK, drink. But very little is safe to use or drink. SO, so, WEVSHOULD, should, NOT, not, WASTE, waste, WATER, water. We should not waste water. Water is present all around us, but very little is safe to use or drink. So it is very important to use water very carefully. We should not waste water. Water is present everywhere, but it is very important for us to use the water in a very little quantity. So here you can see the correct way of saving the water. Here is an example that instead, if we have a tap, so should fill the water in a bucket and use it for bathing. Should not simply turn on your shower and stand under it. You can take a bath with the help of your shower, but not to leave it open so that the water can come onto your body, or the water will be wasted. So it is better that to use the water in very little quantities. So how we can save the water? Let us see. HOW, how, CAN, can, WEV, SAVE, save, WATER, water. How can we save water. H-E-R-E here, A-R-E-R, A, F-E-W, few, W-A-Y-S, ways. Here are a few ways. First one, T-A-K-E, take, A, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket, B-A-T-H, bath. I take a bucket bath. It, U-S-E-S, uses, L-E-S-S, less, W-A-T-E-R, water, T-H-A-N, than, A, S-H-O-W-E-R, shower. As I said you just now, that if we take a bucket bath, means the water from the bucket, and if we take a bath, minimum quantity of water will be utilized as compared to our shower. The remaining parts or the remaining types we shall learn later. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.